Hi guys! Why don't you join me? Let's make this simple and delicious sausage tortilla wrap, okay? So let's go, family. So I have my tortilla or Lebanese bread here. So I'm gonna cut the side and then spread my burger sauce on it. Then family, we are going to do the assembling. And please note you can choose to use any vegetable or protein of your choice, okay? So let's enjoy this. So now that we are done with the assembling, we sprinkle some ketchup on it and then we are gonna carefully or gently fold it, okay? So we're gonna toast both sides in the grill pan and voila! Just look at this. Very simple and handy, yet nutritious and delicious. The family, they are gonna enjoy this. Family, please enjoy goodness on your plates, okay? Give your family a treat by making this simple tortilla wrap for them and they are gonna enjoy. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please share for your family and friends to also enjoy this goodness. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you guys and see ya in our next video. Bye family.